So it is Callie Brandt and
Addison Fetter.
and today we are going to be showing you how to make some Play-Doh slime stuff. And for this craft you will need flour, bowls, plastic or normal, conditioner,
And mixing spoons.
and also paint or food coloring of your choice. Okay, so we already have our conditioner in our bowls, so now we are going to put our flour in. Just put it. Start by doing 1 scoop, and then you want to start mixing it. And then this is what it looks like right now.
This is what mine looks like.
Hers looks like that. Like we had to put more conditioner in it because it wasn't really the texture.
And once you get it to the right consistency where you think that you need to start kneading it with your hands, then just knead it with your hands until you're done. But if you want food coloring or any color, put that in when you're mixing these two ingredients.
Yeah, otherwise you won't get a chance to get it to have any color. So, yeah. Oh, that's sticky.
Yeah. I'm gonna mix it up.
I'm just using acrylic paint, so yeah. So we're back and we both have our paint in it.
I need more.
Mine's purple, if you can see it, and hers is orange. So yeah, and then when you're done with it, make sure to keep it in a container with a cover. Otherwise, it will dry out because this stuff dries out pretty quickly.
Well, not pretty quickly. It dries out. And even if it's not the right consistency, just keep adding flour and that until you think you can just start kneading it with your hands.
Yeah.
But if you add too much flour, it won't really do anything that much, but
it won't be able to like stretch and stuff.
Mine might be ready to start kneading, but I'm just going to mix it a little bit more and then I will.
And then make sure you have like something under it while you're doing it. Like we don't need to because this table, we have 2 tables in our house, so sorry for the noise, but yeah. So, and if you don't have food coloring, that's perfectly fine because you can just put paint in it. Like if you don't have paint, then just leave it white if you want to. Like
I just need more flour. And see, if it goes like this, then that just means you need more flour. That's all it means.
And don't worry if you don't get it right at first. It'll come around.
Just gotta keep kneading it until you think you have the right consistency for your Play-Doh slime.
We're just gonna call it Play-Doh slime. Sorry, I can't pause it, so until I wash my hands.
So, like, if you have it, like, almost the right consistency, you have to wash your hands and then do it because it's much easier if you have stuff all over your hands. You want to go wash them so you have clean hands so it's easier to grasp it.
Yeah, because if you have this stuff all over your hands, it'll keep sticking to your hands, and like it won't go into the slime stuff. So we just I'm back from washing my hands. Yeah. So
I'm back.
Yeah. So you just want to keep kneading it with your hands until it gets to
Your consistency that you want.
And then for the flour, try and get the flour in the sticky spots. Like, so it'll cover up the sticky spots.
How many dumb mine here?
Like, I put a lot of flour in mine, and it's still pretty sticky.
Yeah, really sticky.
You're dumb.
So, yeah. Like, if you saw my hands before, this is worse.
Yeah,
like,
mine is sort of the right consistency. I'm just gonna keep kneading it, like until it's sort of this consistency right here. So yeah,
it'll take a while, but yeah. And we're just pausing in between because we don't want it to take too long. So,
like 20.
Where's my Kindle?
Mine is really close to the right consistency that I really want it at.
So is mine. And then when you're kneading it with your hands, make sure to have flour in your bowl so you can just dip it in
Like
there.
this, just dip it, and then there's flour, so you can, and then just knead it into it.
Yeah. And then like in mine that I already have ready, that one I mixed two colors together. So
yeah, she made two different ones, and then she just mixed them together. Oh my God!
Hey, your mom here, Auntie.
It's not my mom.
You be Auntie. Where's that both?
sorry, Addison had to leave. So yeah, so it's just me now.
But mine turned out.
Yeah, hers is done, and I still get to be here with you guys. So
It turned out
yeah.
good.
And it was my video first, so
I need
so
I need the power.
so I have these two friends, and I will try to do some collabs with them. And sorry for the noise in the background. That's my brother. He's 3 years old, so yeah. And then so it'll feel really good, and remember to keep it in a closed container. So yeah. Sorry, that's my dad and my uncle talking. So Miranda, Jasmine, if you're watching, Miranda, there you go to make more slime recipes. So yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.